This is a hair color correction session. The client has a natural hair color level 1. She's 75% gray. I'm going in with bleach to level out the base color, and all along the hair color journey, we're going to use bond protectors, bond builders, and keratin treatments. On more mature clients, I find instead of platinum, they look more youthful when we add color. So in this situation, I used a warm level 8 dark blonde with white highlights concentrated around the front hairline. Like I said, she's already 75% gray, and it's predominantly around the front hairline. So in order to add longevity and a little individuality, we layered the highlights heavy around the face to frame it and give her some glow. And then we layered the darker blonde as we went towards the back. Check out this amazing hair color and cut. The new color is fantastic. It's sophisticated, it's warm, it's youthful, it's individualized. It's amazing. This is where we started. I just wanted to remind you. Now, each individual hair strand is fine, and her density, that's how many hairs per square inch, is medium. Do you need your hair color corrected? I'm located in Benicia, California. You can call or book your private appointment online.